Both Haikali. This type of Haikali. This five. This was what five. Five. Excellent. This is the one. Fresh Haikali.
Right now. You should have tried.
Smoked pork.
Yeah.
Pork ribs.
So they open it up. And then they'll start to press Ano ba lang din lang? Ha? What? Oh, I didn't know. Oh, video. Sorry.
And also I like this chutney very much.
Really good.
Really good. Kerala chutney.
What is this?